Once you get to quick actions, you're going to see the host button, which right now is grayed out. Hello everyone, it is Articskyfox. Today we're going to be talking about how do you host and raid on a Kick stream. You may be new to Kick and you're not sure how to do it because it's not exactly like Twitch. So let me show you right now how to go about this. You head over to your little profile picture. You're going to go to Creator Dashboard. Once you get to quick actions, you're going to see the host button, which right now is grayed out because I am not on Kick currently live. In order to host or raid somebody, you must be live on your live stream in order to make this not grayed out, and it needs to be on and you need to be live. So just keep that in mind at this current time. But this is how you host and raid somebody on Kick. It's kind of weird how they put host. It's not like host/raid, and they don't have another button over here that's just for raid. Maybe down the pipeline, they'll make a raid button, and it'll just say one for host and one for raiding. But for right now, we have only a host button on Kick, which does both. So I hope this video has helped you out. If it did, please go ahead, hit that like button, and let me know that this information has helped you out. If you're new to Articskyfox and want to stay updated with Kick, the streaming platform and everything, see the latest news, tutorials, and any type of advice, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me.